Do you sometimes struggle with the duties of being a union leader? Have you thought about your replacement? Then you should attend the SCEA Leadership Retreat. From the minds of Julie Torgy, Barb Gillimbardo, Rachel Foreman, and Sandy Paysons, SCEA presents to you the first annual SCEA Leadership Retreat, June 19th from 9:30 to 2:30. What is it? Afraid of more district PD by people who have not been in schools? No worries. The first annual SCEA Leadership Retreat will be for local leaders to empower other local leaders. Do you struggle with communicating with members? Does your head swivel when you hear social media? The SCEA Leadership Retreat will hold a communication seminar to learn how to create a website, publish a newsletter, and create a communication strategy. Maybe you have a new treasurer, or maybe you want to know how you can make your dollars stretch. The SCEA Leadership Retreat will have a mini money manager training where we will review how to create a budget, how to keep accurate records, and even what documents to file. Speaking about budgets, how about getting your local in the green? The more members, the more local dues, the stronger your local. The SCEA Leadership Retreat will help your local get in the green by pooling the knowledge and experience of local leaders. Some of you are bargaining. Do you have a strategy? Would you like ideas on language to create better working conditions for your members? The SCEA Leadership Retreat will provide a bargaining panel from top local leaders to give tips and tricks. Have you gotten a naughty note from MEA about your government's documents? Are your bylaws and constitution current? Or are they still on mimeograph paper from 1965? The SCEA Leadership Retreat plans to have a session for updating your government's documents. Can you still include fee payers in your documents? Why must elections happen prior to April? If you need answers, we're going to try to provide them. Updating your government's documents is a great time to figure out, what do you want your local to look like? Have you thought about long-range planning? Because this isn't your parents' union. Come to our long-term planning session. We'll hook you up with ideas and money for building full-capacity locals. Speaking of money again, do you ever wonder what you get for your dues? Maybe you have that one bum that asks that question every time you have a union meeting. Well, now you'll know what to say with, what do I get for my dues? The SCEA Leadership Retreat will also have sessions on holding pack drives. Information about MEA financial services. Apparently you can get discounts on auto and home insurance. Had no idea. Or maybe you just need to know how MEA works. We will also have a repeat of the seclusion and restraint training for skeeches. Yes, skeeches. So, join us for the first annual SCEA Leadership Retreat. June 19th, 9:30 to 2:30, Holiday in Battle Creek. Be there.